to this, our 23rd Tidy Wales Awards, where we're going to be celebrating the achievements of all you amazing, wonderful volunteers.
And maintaining and enhancing the quality of the environment is vital to our health and well-being, our sense of community, and our economic prosperity. Indeed, everything in life ultimately relies on the quality of our environment.
I think we do need to keep a very strong focus on the communities in which we all live.
Question: what does it mean to you and your eco committee to have won an award?
I think they'll be amazed. They'll be thrilled to bits.
I think the kids are key. I think the kids are the role models. They're the ones that the adults are going to see picking up litter. They're the ones they're going to want to see a 5-year-old, 6-year-old picking up litter out of the street and think, hold on a minute, maybe I shouldn't drop it. Maybe I should put it in the correct bin.
Helo, asgwn i, allwch chi ddweud ni, be ma'n olygu i chi fod wedi ennill categori?
Dyn ni falch iawn o fod yma heddiw, achos mae'n rhoi cydnabyddiaeth i'r gwaith da ni wedi wneud. Mae'n ymdrech anhygoel i drawsnewid dwy ardal.
Green Valleys CIC, KIC, has a community fruit harvesting and juicing project, which utilises the abundance of fruit within the local community. Juicing fruit is a way to use and store excess fruit, and through this project, families can reduce food waste and eat more healthily.
And in particular, what we've done for we work closely with our local community because we join them in little projects with the local schools. For instance, we've built some ponds and we've erected, it's also been very good team building for our staff, learning to make fences and work with children in the local community.
You've got to get off your backside and do it. What you're doing is supporting this country. We're making it a better place.
There's a lot of hard work put in by the staff, give up a lot of your own time. It's just a nice reward for them, which we relay when we get back to the Treacle Holiday Park.
I think most people who are working, and even people with a lot of free time on their hands, find other things to do without being very productive and constructive in the community. And it's just amazing that they're prepared to give up their own time, and valuable time, just to make such a valuable contribution.
Not only are they good and we're raising money and we're helping the country, but they're also social as well. You get to meet people that you wouldn't necessarily meet, and you get to form relationships and friendships, so it's great, it's amazing.
And I know and I understand the reality sometimes that the environment in which we live can sometimes have an extraordinary influence on the lives that we live.
The judges said of this group, the group are worthy winners. Not only have they obviously worked extremely hard to transform the community in which they live, but they have done so to engage in the whole community. I'm delighted to invite onto the stage the overall winners of the 2013 Tidy Wales Awards, that is the Fan Community Alliance. Please come onto the stage.
It feels absolutely fantastic to have won the award. We weren't expecting it at all, and the people back in the street are going to be absolutely landed. They see how much work goes into everything, and it's just lovely to feel that that's appreciated by other people as well.